Hello guys! Let me give you a tour to our mini cafeteria. Merong pa free cereals dito, napakadaming variety. So pipili ka na lang kung gusto mo itry mo lahat in one go. And meron din kaming mga free coffee. In fairness, meron silang keto-friendly sugar, that's sucralose. They have decaffeinated coffee, they have coffee ground, coffee beans, different types of teas, that's one decaf, black tea, and sugar. And di ko na napakita, meron din silang madaming fresh milk sa fridge. So, this is our coffee maker. Hindi ko pa ito nagagamit kasi I prefer to make my own. And hello to the beautiful view. Na-feature ko na to last time sa previous video ko. Diba? Napaka-relaxing. Gloomy lang today. Lunch break na namin ngayon. And later, we have an activity. Meron kaming town hall. So, meron daw surprise sa amin mga empleyado. So, ayan. Nasa 6th floor kami. So, eto yung lagi ko nakikita everyday dito sa aming opisina. Ang ganda, di ba? And this is my meal today. Pita with avocado and egg and the coffee. So, later kasi bababa kami. So, for now, kain muna ako, guys. Ito ang surprise! Meron kaming pa free ice cream.
Anything on today? Enjoy. Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Yeah, I'll have strawberry and raspberry syrup, please.
Raspberry sauce, yes, you may. Is that in a cone today, my love?
Yeah.
Big what?
Yeah.
What?
Huh?
Big what?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Don't worry, I'm not posting your
No,
picture
it's just really
if
good
it's
jobs.
not okay with you.
No, it's absolutely fine. I was actually appreciating your phone case. It's quite nicely ice cream coloured. It's like it's got quite a nice.
Thank you so much.
Cheers, thank you. Hi there.
We have free ice cream. This is our company terrace. So, madami naman ditong upuan. Malaki din siya, malawak. So, pag bored ka or na-stress ka, gusto mo lang mag-relax, dyan ka lang. Pwede ka din dyan kumain. Dali mo lang yung food mo and all. So, ubusin ko lang yung aking ice cream. And balik na rin kami sa work. Well, training kasi nagte-training pa lang din naman ako. After 8 hours sa office, pauwi na ako finally. So, ang ruta ko ngayon is tren, and then after that, nag-bus ako kasi mas madali, mas malapit. Kasi as of now, yung train station or train rails na sinasakyan ko, usual na sinasakyan ko is out of service. So, I need to go to a different route. And eto nga. Pero halos ganun din lang naman.
Guys, malapit na ako sa bahay. Mas maaga ako today because I use a different route. At yun lang. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Paalam!